Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the last video I have shown you the Byju's IAS tablet program review. In that I have shown only the tab and the contents in the tab. So in this video I'll be showing the books as I have said in the previous video. So there are total 18 books which are provided by Byju's, and in that 16 are these subjective books like governance, polity, international relations, ethics and etc. And the two books are previous year question paper solved question papers for both prelims, CSAT and as well as mains. So let's start. The first one, let's see. So this is the one. This is Vishal Publications book, as you can see here, for Byju's students especially. UPSC Civil Service Examination, General Studies, main solved papers. In this you have from 2011 to 2019. So as you can see, these are the contents. So you have essay, general studies 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the other book is this one, the preliminary paper 1 and 2, that is the CSAT and general studies. So I will just be opening this. So this is the one. This is also by the Vishal Publications. General studies, yeah, as you can see, 2011, ancient, like they are covered question wise with explanation with answers. This will be very useful for preparing to understand the previous year trends and previous year question paper models and how to go with the coming exam years, like the next attempts. And let's start with the general studies. For general studies 1, we have given 4 standard books, in which for history we have 3 books. They are these 3: Ancient by R.S. Sharma, Medieval by Satish Chandra, and of course Modern History by Bipin Chandra. So this is Ancient, mainly for prelims, but everything is there. And this is for Medieval by Satish Chandra. And on every book you can see here, this copy is exclusively for Byju's students and their logo. These books are sort of customized for Byju's students. And of course Modern History, this is also for especially for Byju's students. Everything is covered in this. And Spectrum is not provided, it's an optional. And Byju's always follows a formula which says read one book 10 times rather 10 book 1 times. So that will give multiple revisions. It will also cause very efficiency over the subject. And then Indian Art and Culture by Nitin Singhania. As you can see, the book is very colorful. Indian handicrafts, musics, martial arts, everything, dance forms, everything is covered. And then not only the standard book for art and culture, you are also given this art and culture and world history for like study material kind of thing. And for world history they are giving this book entirely relevant for UPSC CSE. These topics are enough for world history, but current affairs linking is very important. And for geography, for GS1, they are giving this book. This is also by Byju's itself, geography. And the contents I'll just show. Yeah, as you can see, the contents: basics of geography, longitude, latitude, and etc. This is for geography. Geography is all about maps, so they are providing the Orient Black Swan Atlas for this is also for Orient Black Swan for Byju's students. And coming to GS2, polity, international relations, governance. For polity, universally many students study Lakshmikant. So this is the latest edition with the revision of chapters of Article 370 and what we say, this Citizenship Amendment Act and everything is there. You can go through this. And for international relations, there is no standard book by Byju's, but they give this study material. The main relevance of this study material is these books are customized so that only relevant subjects will be studied by the student for the exam. Okay. And for governance, society and social justice, same by Byju's. Study material is provided. Relevant topics are there in this. And for GS3 economy, for economy you can refer the tablet videos and Indian economy by Byju's. Everything is covered in this, but economy is more dynamic, so we need to regularly update ourselves with newspapers and current affair analysis. And then we have this one, textbook for environmental studies and undergraduate courses. Environment, this is okay for this is also for especially bio students. This is enough. And science and technology is also a little dynamic. We should go through this book. This has nanotechnology, space technology and everything. And then you need to update yourself in the newspapers. Next, disaster management and internal security for GS3. It is also given in this book. See, many standard books for these topics are not provided because the standard books which the market provides contains a lot of irrelevant topics which are not necessary for the exam. So these books are I have gone through some chapters in these books. They are very much easy to go through, very lucid language, and these topics are more they are more easy for studying and also more relevant for exam rather than going through different topics which are not useful for exam. And for GS4 you have this one by GS Subbarao and PN Roy Chowdhury. This is ethics, integrity and aptitude. I have also gone through the first chapters and all. That's also fine. Preface, I'll show the content. Yeah, these are the contents. Introduction, different political thinkers, Western political thinkers. In fact, Gandhi and ethics are there. Bhagavad Gita is there. Everything is there. So what's the difference between Byju's books and these books is the other books, as I said, contain some of course knowledge is always useful, but it is not very much relevant for us in UPSC CSE. So for preparing for UPSC is knowing what to read. So these books are very much customized and only relevant topics are provided in these books. So these books are enough, but linking current affairs and regular revisions are very much necessary. So that shall be it. Thank you. And soon I'll be receiving the sociology material and the content of it. I'll also posting the video in few days. Thank you.